Do-it-yourself biology is a growing international citizen science movement that seeks to create an accessible and distributed version of biology through low-cost technological solutions and mostly outside of traditional professional environments. Many of the practitioners do not have an academic background in science, but acquire their notions and practice biology thanks to the support of the community. At Bio, we have a passion for science, especially for life sciences. BIOC offers everyone the opportunity to do science, to have fun, learn, or to create a better world. BIOC offers workshops to paint with bacteria, to build and use microscopes, to read and use the electrical impulses of nerves and brainwaves, or to learn about your ancestors by analyzing your own DNA. We also offer kits so you can do science yourself. But not only workshops, also science projects to study biodiversity through genetic analysis, discover antibiotics, improve the environment, or to perform a scientific drama. And if you're thinking of hands-on participatory science events, we organize festivals, shows, hackathons, team building, courses, camps, guided tours, nature experiences, science parties, and much more. BIOC, biology by and for the people.